Hi everyone, this is Lisa from DataVoke. Today, I would like to show you how the Add PDF Document to Combine and the Get Combined Documents actions work. These two actions work together, so it's easiest to demonstrate them at the same time. Basically, what they do is take PDF documents on your environment, combine them in a system document, and then allow you to download that document when you're ready. So let's start by adding a button to our view to combine the documents. So let's flip our view into design mode. Let's add a new button. And now we can edit our button. We'll give it a good name, a hint, and we'll update the icon. So now down here, we're going to add several actions to our action chain. The first one we're going to add is our Add PDF Document to Combine. We're also going to add a message box. And then we'll add our Get Combined Documents. The first action is going to combine the PDF attached to the record we select onto our target file. The message is going to ask us, do you want to attach more files or do you want to download? And then the second one is going to get the combined file for us. So let's go in and tune each of these actions. So this first one, we can add a developer hint. And our source property, this is going to bring up a list of all of the available attached properties on our view. And as you can see, we only have one, so we will select it. And then down here is our as file name. So this is basically setting the name of your target file for the system to combine our PDFs. You can make this name whatever you want as long as it is within single quotes. You can also go to the expression builder and build a name based on data within your view. The important thing to remember though is whatever you set the target name here, you have to use the exact same target name in the Get Combined Documents action. So I'm going to leave it as combine.pdf for this example. So then under our message, I'm going to update the message to say, do you want to retrieve your documents? And then down below, we'll have our message box give us two options. The first saying yes, and then this will continue down the action chain to allow us to download the file. The second one will say no, and I'm going to set this one to break. So it'll stop the action chain and bring us back to the view where we can do another action. So then our last action on our chain is the Get Combined Document. So on this one, there are really no options other than to add the file name. And as you can see, it defaults to the combine.pdf, which is what we used in our add document action. As you can see, it's the same on both. That is very important. If it's not the same, the system won't know or won't grab the file that you want. So let's save and close, and let's capture our work. So now, as I mentioned earlier, this action combines PDF documents. And as you can see on our view, we have several records here with PDF documents attached. Let's grab this one here. We'll combine PDF. So we get our message, do you want to retrieve your document? Let's say no, because right now our document only has one file on it. So let's select this one here, click on our button again. So this time we'll say yes. Now this is going to download our file. Our file should have 2 pages on it. One for our first document that we attached to it, and then a second one for the second document that we attached to it. So we'll say yes. And as you can see down at the bottom, since I'm using Chrome as my browser, down here is our attached file. So if we click on it, it'll open it up, and we have, as you can see, we have 2 pages. Our first page is document 1, and our second page is our document 2. So if we flip back over to our environment, so something to note, the target file stays active for the entire user session. So refreshing your session clears the target file. The target file is also a system-wide file and can be accessed from any view during your session. So you can attach and combine PDFs from multiple views within your development environment as long as you use the same target file name. So that is how the Add PDF Document to Combine and Get Combined Document actions work. Please visit us again for more helpful videos, or check us out at DataVoke.com.